Good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. So, to those of you that are yet to subscribe, be it you are new to this channel, do well to click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments, and also, guys, follow our Telegram channel. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. We will be giving you guys an update on what next, things that will be going on in the market. The link to the Telegram channel will be in the comment section. So follow and stay updated. Now let's take a look at what we will be expecting on GBPJPY. So let's start from here. I would start from this movement. This is exactly where I want us to start from. This is around the year 2020. You can see from that year 2020 to 2021 to 2022 to 2023 and to 2024. You can see it. GBP JPY has been giving us some movement, which is to the upside. We all know that market give us three movements: uptrend move, downtrend move, or a ranging market one. So this is the full picture, and the full picture says GBP JPY is an uptrend move. Due to the fact that JPY has been dropping ever since, so any PS related to your JPY should be moving up. But right now, JPY is currently gaining strength. So this is one of the reasons why market is currently dropping. Now that should now take us to our 4-hour time frame. What is market currently doing? Though the full trend is an uptrend move, the bigger picture is still to the upside. But what is market currently doing now? As at now, what is the trend the market is giving us, which is a downtrend move? This is our current trend. So the current trend is still to the downside, right? So if you take a look at this, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. So market has just been doing lower lows, lower highs, and it's dropping. And guess what? We are going to continue that drop the downside. So let's see it actually come to tap. First, I'll be expecting it to tap a level of 196. Currently, GBPJPY is trading at 198. You can see we are currently trading at 198. Let's see it tap to a level of 196. That is going to be giving more than 150 pips. That will be about more than 150 pips. So once you can get to a level of 196, I'll give you guys an update on what next you should be expecting. So follow our Telegram channel. You will find the link in the comment section.